Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be in Tulum. I'm going to show you the parts that other YouTubers don't show you. Let's go.
I'm on Keenan's vlog. Keenan's here too. We're gonna film this area because I'm gonna tour you guys. So this is Central. This is the Central area. If you ever come to Tulum, this is a great place to be. The Central, the main town area, downtown. And we're at Cook Burger, which is a really cute place. They have an upstairs venue. And we are here.
I love this place, to be honest with you. Love it.
This is the main nightlife area in El Centro. Are you ready to see this place at night?
Alright guys, pardon if I'm slurring any words, but At night is when the street vendors come out. All right, so let's go see what type of food they have available. Señor.
Merengue, cocadas, dulce de leche, rollito con crema, coco de piloncillo, coco de piña y coco de anís, palanquetas y cacahuates. Y son tamarindos dulces.
Tamarindo, ok.
Cacahuates, ¿sí, maní?
Cacahuates,
Sí.
¿Es picante?
No es dulce.
Ok. Sí. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
30 pesos.
30, ok. So this cacahuates thing is kind of like a mixture of icing and peanuts.
So cacahuates taste like peanuts because cacahuates are peanuts. Pardon my dumb gringo moment.
It's good, but, you know, it'll cause you diabetes.
Despite the danger people talk about in Mexico, I never felt unsafe. If I was working remotely, I would definitely set up shop in Tulum for a few months.
Señor, ¿tienes mango soda?
Mango no tengo. Tengo piña, sandía, melón. Tengo plátanos para preparar rápidamente, manzana, papaya, sandía, mandarín.
¿Cuánto cuesta para los piñas?
A 50.
50.
Sí.
Okay.
¿Uno?
Okay.
Gracias.
Before I get out of here, consider subscribing and stay tuned for this Playa del Carmen teaser.
Hey you guys, my name is Alia, owner of Leave Baby Galore Boutique. We got the latest fashion for women. Don't f**k around, get your clothes for the fall of the